Hi everyone, this is Tony from the Training Center. Today's video is uploading an imported list into your Moxi Engage. So for those of you that have a list that consists of several names, addresses, and phone and email, and you want to do them as a group on an Excel spreadsheet, this is the process. So I'm going to go to Moxi Engage on that tile, click on it, and when the landing page appears for Moxi Engage, I am going to click on the People tab right here, People, and I'm going to go to My People. When I click My People, your list of people will appear on your screen. This is the list. It'll tell you how many people you have, and just a couple of notes. These are your groups or tags. If you see a highlighted email and phone, that means that you have that email and phone number in that contact's record. If you have it low lighted, you don't have that information. So it would allow you to go in and fix that if you don't have it. In any case, in order to upload a group, this is what I'm talking about today. I'm going to go to Add People and Import Contacts. Remember, you can import a single contact very easily just by clicking Single Contact and filling out the form. That's how you add a single person. But if you wanted to add a group, you want to be sure you're in your My People tab. You want to be sure you click on Add People from the blue button there on the top right, and you go to Import Contacts. So the most important thing here is this downloaded CSV file. You want to make sure that you download this CSV file and you save it on your desktop, because that's where you're going to be putting in your contacts. So I saved mine. Here it's on my desktop. This is what it looks like. Now remember, this contact database sheet is very limited. There's not a lot of columns, but the key is you cannot change the columns. Cannot change the columns. So if you see here, if you want to read this, it says importing contacts, download this spreadsheet. Again, upload it to your desktop so you can use it and type on it. And then number one, row of the CSV template contains labels from that inform Engage which field to assign your columns. So you cannot change or remove any of those labels. That would be the column headings. Copy your data from another spreadsheet if you want to. Copy and paste into the add first name, last name, email address. Keep all columns in the template even, and the maximum import is 2,500 contacts. Please, that's very important for those of you importing groups of offices and areas. That's 2,500 contacts is the max. And basically that's all you need to do. Now, it may take you a day or two in order to get those contacts in that spreadsheet. And once you do, you just either select File, and if say I'm going to close this because I'm working on my document, I'm going to go to the Add People button when I get back to My People, Import Contacts. Instead of using the download here, because I already have it on my desktop and it's now filled out, I'm going to go to Select File. When I select File, I got to find that file. I named mine my most famous people list. I click that, and that's going to import contacts. And you're going to see it's going to go circle on my page. And then when it's done, it's going to say upload complete with exceptions or no exceptions. I'm missing a couple of emails or whatever. That's why I didn't input them all. And I'm going to just close this, but that is how you import these contacts. Another way to see these contacts, they're going to see now I have 158 instead of 146 people. You could always go to your filter button over here. You could click on the groups, and you could go look for the date of today's date, because it always gets imported like this with an imported for today's date. So that's my imported list. I'm going to apply, and now this list is going to appear on my screen. Here's all my famous people. I don't know why. I must have missed Paul Newman's first name. I don't know. Anyway, I put in fake emails here and fake phone numbers, but this is my list of 9 people. And you'll notice it automatically gets a group tag of 7/10/2025. So that's awesome. So I could actually select all of these people and give them a different tag if I want to. But that's how you separate out and know this group was put in here on July 10th. So I hope this was helpful. and I hope you have no trouble uploading your contacts. If you do, as always, please contact me. I'm happy to help. Here is, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.